guys, today we will study about concept of water chapter 4. Our first topic is water cycle. What is water cycle? Now let's start with water cycle. The warmth of the sun evaporates water from the sea, from river and lakes, and also from the soil and plants on the land. Water is turned into water vapor which get mixed with air. High up, moist air rises up into the atmosphere where the temperature is low and it's cool down. Cool air cannot hold as much water vapor as warm air. Thus, the water vapor condenses into tiny droplets. The water in the sky, the teeny water droplets from clouds, and when these teeny water droplets in the clouds combine to form larger droplets, they fall on the earth as rain. Here is now why water cycle is so important. Water cycle in nature plays an important role in. I am telling 2 points. Restoring the lost water from the earth surface and maintaining the balance in underground water. The rainwater is very important because agriculture production depend mainly on rains in many parts of the world. Second, controlling the climate condition of all over the world. One more very important thing is there. When air cools to a greater extent, the water droplets freeze into snow. In cool places, they fall as snow. Now our second topic is clean water for homes. It is a last topic. Now let's start. The water that flows out of our taps is pumped out from lakes and rivers or from under the ground. It is then filtered in hug tanks. Filtering means taking out solid things mixed in water. When we pour tea through a strainer, we filter out tea leaves from the sea. See here, this is a method to filter drinking water. See first, water is pumped off a river or lake and any pond. Now from lake, river and ponds going to water is a filter. Going to tank, water is a filter. Now from filter water go to one tank, and in tank having chlorine gas to kill the germs. Now we can drink. From this method only in our home drinking water is coming. After the water is filtered, a gas is called chlorine is mixed with it. The gas kills germs. The clean germs-free water is then carried to our home by big pipes. Now our third topic is drinking water. Tap water sometimes has germs and other harmful things in it, so we must clean it before drinking it. Now first point is boiling water is the simplest way of making water germ-free. This kills the germs in water. Now our second point is people also use different kinds of filter to clean water. From this method also you have to purify the water. This is the method. See here, we must store drinking water in clean bottles and utensils. We must keep the bottles and utensils covered to stop germs and dirt from getting into the water. Related to the water, some important concepts are clear. Now, thanks to watch video. Please subscribe my video and like, comment it for my latest video to press the bell icon. Thank you, Jai Hind.